In this video, we are going to download and install Azure Storage Explorer and perform copy operation. Alright, to download Azure Storage Explorer, just type Azure Storage Explorer in the Google search, and then you get this particular link. Right click and you would land up on this particular page, and here you can see that there is a download section, right? Go ahead, select your operating system and download the binaries. Once you download, I did on the Windows x64, right? You just go ahead and initiate the installer. It's an installer in this particular case. Just hit next, and you basically install Azure Storage Explorer, right? Once you install, let's make sure that we see that here. Explorer, I think Azure Storage Explorer. Let's see, let's be specific because there is a Windows one as well. This is the app, right? Let's open up, and this is the app that you will see. All right, now because I logged in, it looks like that it picked up my credential and logged in as it is. Okay, I just ensured that I can log in. But if you want to log in, you just hit sign in with Azure and you get logged in. Now you can see that the kind of storage account that we created in the earlier demo is seen here, right? Now underneath blob container, we had one container called test container, right? And we uploaded one document PDF file using AZ copy. What is that we're gonna do? We gonna upload now let's say set of files. Okay, you just go ahead, select the set of file from your desktop. All right, so let me choose basically the proper folder where these files are. Okay, I'm just picking up the same set of file. All right, open. All of them is here, and I'm going to say upload. Okay, so because this is a kind of like a GUI tool, it becomes very easy, right? That's what you can see, and a lot of things you can do it using the Storage Explorer rather than doing through the command line. So naturally it is much more user friendly, you can say that, right? So if you have something to deal with storage account on a regular basis, you have to come, upload, publish, something like that, then this tool is ultimate. You don't need to do those things through the command line, not using the AZ copy, right? You can do through the Storage Explorer. Now suppose if you want to copy this container in a different storage account, again, very easily you can do that. You just come here, select the another storage account. I'm selecting that and say paste copy container, and you can see that all the things that you had in the other one will be seen there. All right, there you go, all the files are there. That is how you work around like a Storage Explorer. My suggestion would be make sure that you're familiar with the tool. I think try to perform some operations from the container to the file share, scan through what is there in the queue, create some table, try to insert data in the table, those kind of things. I think it's just basically making sure that you're getting confident enough to use this particular tool. That's all pretty much within this particular demo.